Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here, and welcome to the first Amazon Finds and Favorites of 2024. I shopped so much towards the end of last year for my gift guides, to recommend stuff, and just because I needed things. And today I'm going to be sharing some of those purchases that I got from Amazon that are for sure favorites. I'm so excited. I also did kind of like a revamp and organization to my Amazon storefront, so definitely check that out if you haven't already, and follow me on Instagram for more. We are quite literally on baby watch, baby month. So if I sound out of breath and I'm looking a little pregnant, it's because I am. This sweater barely fits me. Oh my god. Just bear with me. But follow me on Instagram for that and for more, and let's get into it. This is something that I selfishly wanted to try out. Do y'all see that? For my gift guides. And I first ordered this one, 5x5 probably notepad that you can personalize, so you can change the color, you can do lines or no lines, and then you can add your monogram or your initials. They have more masculine fonts, they have more feminine preppy options, and I was so obsessed that I decided I needed to get the full size. It took 2-ish weeks with the holidays and everything, and I'm obsessed. I think it's like the cutest thing ever. Such a good gift, but also such a good way to get organized for the new year. Guys, this is one of the coolest Amazon finds of all time. It's this suction vanity light that you can truly put anywhere. I put it on my vanity because, as you can see, the light in this room is pretty crappy, and it just suctions. It's plastic, so you can take it on the go, travel. It's super lightweight, and then it has all these adjustable light settings, so you can do less bright, more bright, a warm tone, a cool tone, and a neutral. And it makes doing your makeup so much easier, especially if you're on the go all the time, you don't have a vanity to do your makeup at. This is just such a game changer, and it's $17. A random pet peeve of mine lately is the way spray disinfectant bottles look on our countertops in the kitchen. I just feel like they just add to the clutter. So I decided to get this 3-pack of these nice glass refillable spray bottles to solve that issue. This one is the one that I keep out. It's a countertop cleaner. That's what I got, but they do have different colors. And I almost purchased one for like $15. I got all 3 for $15. I haven't been getting a ton of jewelry just because mostly my fingers are pretty swollen. Tell me why I thought it was a good idea to get this ring in a size 6. It was for my pinky, and it does fit, but it's loose. After seeing the size of it, I kind of want to put it on my index finger. I think the stone look-alike, it's opal, so iridescent and beautiful. This was like $10. And it looks very, very high quality. And then this is the reason why I haven't been wearing a ton of earrings, because I can't quit these. I love these chain hoops, and I saw these, snagged them up. I've been wearing them non-stop for like a month, and these were my holiday go-to. These like brass bows are so fun and girly. So recently I noticed Olivia has been trying to open the doors, and this is our laundry room, so we have a ton of things here. And then sometimes I'm home alone with her, she messes with the front door. So I grabbed this for my peace of mind. It's a child lock for doors, and she usually is pretty good about figuring out child lock things, but this one she really can't get around. So I highly recommend if you have a toddler and you want some peace of mind. $6 and you get 2. This right here is one of my top 10 Amazon finds for pet owners. I am so shocked by it. It's a vacuum, so you can see, but it comes with all these attachments to groom your pet. Cut their hair, brush them out, remove some matting, etc. You can also use it as a vacuum. It comes with all the clipper attachments. All of that hair and fur is going in here instead of on your floor or everywhere else. My mom used it to cut Penny's hair. She used it to groom our Great Pyrenees. I basically got it for her for Christmas, and then I got myself one because I was like, this is genius. And I highly recommend waiting for a discount or a sale. I don't recommend paying full price for it. Next up, we have another purchase from my gift guide. That's an excuse to get it. This little dog decanter. I saw it at someone's house after a baby shower, and I was just like, oh my god, where's that from? Screamed when it was from Amazon, and it was like $30. I'm obsessed. It's like a cutie lab and doubles as decor. Just looks so darn cute on this shelf. The shelf is from Target. I'm pretty sure it's sold out, but isn't it adorable? Okay, so I saw this on TikTok. It's supposed to be very similar to a more expensive bag, but what's cool, it's convertible, and I think you can use it 3 different ways. You can disconnect the strap, shoulder bag, situation. I think it also turns into like a clutch. I don't know. The point is you can wear it a bunch of different ways. Is this bag ideal for someone with a toddler and another baby? Probably not, but I thought it was cool. I wanted to give it a try. I need to look at all the configurations, and it was like $60, and I really like this color. If you follow me on TikTok or even Instagram, you know I'm obsessed with bows. I'm definitely in my bow era, and I saw this little photo book. I've been wanting one for Olivia. This really pretty satin material, and I think it's originally meant for like a wedding pink, so I thought it would be perfect for like a little baby girl book. I have a ton of random pictures in here, but my plan is just to print out a bunch of pictures of her and just put them in here. I do have different colors of the bow, and it was $20, which I think is pretty good for the quality. I'm gonna do a whole video on my hospital bag, but I had to share this carry-on bag. Last year I bought the beige, and I still have it. I still love it, but when I saw this gorgeous neon orange, I knew I had to grab it. Such a good alternative to the beige weekender bag. It has all the same features and compartments, like for a water bottle, the detachable shoe compartment. Inside you can do the USB. It has a long strap for your shoulders, or you can just carry it like this, and it's $30 instead of $110. I recommended it for my gift guides, and I'm recommending it now because I'm using it as one of my hospital bags. I know we're miles away from spring and summer, but I wanted to get these because they were on sale. They are applicators for sunscreen for kids. So essentially you pour your sunscreen here, and then you screw it back on, and then it has a roller and a sponge to make it easy to apply it to your kid's face without getting your hands messy. I thought this was genius. It comes in a 2-pack, and I'll be glad when summer comes around to have it. I'm so disappointed in this one. I don't know if y'all can tell without me taking them out of the plastic. I feel like you totally can. The brass is completely different. They're also way smaller. I really need to start looking at measurements because everything looks bigger on Amazon. But I wanted these for my closet. Obviously, they're not meeting any sort of quality standard for me. Went to return them. Couldn't. I had to pay my own return fee, which was just so dumb, even though this was supposed to be on Prime. So I would just skip these if I were you. And here you can see it just looks bad side by side. This one is not it. If it was this color, I wouldn't be so mad. And these weren't cheap. They were like almost $30 for the 2-pack. So I feel like Anthropologie would have better quality hooks for a similar price point. And then this was my push present from me to me. It's a walking pad, and I thought this would be convenient for postpartum, mostly because I don't see myself going on walks anytime soon with 2 kids while I'm working or editing a video or whatever, shopping, watching TV, listening to the toast. I can just walk on it. I need to unbox it, and I kind of want to find a standing desk, but this one was pretty inexpensive, and trust me, I've been looking since the last Prime Day. Like I said, I'm not filming with natural light, so it's gonna be a little hard to see from this video, but I do have quite a bit of pictures and videos to show you. Basically, I stopped getting my hair dyed all throughout last year, and I was just using toners and things at home, but I definitely noticed my roots coming in very dark and a really stark difference between what I used to dye and my new growth. Even though I used to have like pretty light brown hair in Puerto Rico and growing up, because of the sun and such, I no longer had that. So I decided to go back to an old high school favorite, but revamped. I used to use Sun-In in high school, and now I'm using this. This is a John Frieda, and I've been using the shampoo and the conditioner as well. Y'all, when I tell you this has completely changed my hair, I don't know if it's super healthy for you. I don't know if you can get your hair dyed after you use this, so please take my recommendation with a grain of salt as always. My hair looks great. I get so many compliments on it. It finally matches. I no longer have to dye it or tone it. I think it has to do with the undertone of my hair, so once again, be super cautious. If you have super dark hair, this might not be for you. I remember my best friend used to use Sun-In in high school, and her hair was straight up orange. She has dark hair. Super happy with the result. I've only used like probably 3/4 of this bottle, and I only do the blow dryer, and I don't even like do the round brush or anything, just like a rough dry, and it works so well. I feel like my extensions finally match. I know this is, like I said, not the best lighting, but I highly recommend if you were blonde or did the cowboy copper or anything like reddish. It just leaves a really pretty tone. So guys, that's everything that I have for today. I do have quite a bit more Amazon purchases to share with y'all, so I can definitely do a part 2. If y'all want to see that, give it a thumbs up. I'll have everything linked down below, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.